Hi, hello, and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Hi, guys. Today we are going to make Sri Lankan milk toffee, otherwise known as locally Kiri toffee. And guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon. The first thing, guys, take up a pan and keep it in medium flame. Remember, it is medium flame. And then you add your condensed sweetened milk, otherwise known as milk made in locally, and you add your sugar. Now I have taken about 400 grams of sugar. That comes about 2 cups in my small cup, guys. There we go, 400 grams of sugar for my 500 grams of condensed sweetened milk. And guys, keep it on mixing, guys. The crucial part of this dish is you'll have to, until the end, you'll have to keep it on mixing. Now although it is in medium flame, while mixing it, guys, you'll see it turns into this kind of a liquid, and when the entire sugar is dissolved and turns into a liquid just like this, guys, at that moment you can add your butter. There you go, guys. This is 50 grams of butter. Add it up and mix it again very well. Keep it on mixing it, guys. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes. And when it is boiling it up, guys, I am adding my vanilla essence. That is it, guys. Again, keep it on mixing, and you will feel, guys, it becomes, the color changes first, and it also becomes thicker and thicker. See my batter getting thicker and thicker. Keep it on mixing, guys. Still keep it on mixing for about 20 minutes time. And guys, when it comes to nuts, for an additional, you can use your favorite nuts. I have taken over here cashew nuts. You can use peanuts or whatever nuts that you like, or you can even use both. And keep it on mixing, guys. Now it is about approximately 20 minutes time. And please do remember, guys, now while mixing it up, now it is almost 20 minutes. Now this is the thickness that we need. It must not be too liquidy, or it must not be too much thickness, guys, because very much thickness will make your toffee hard to eat. When it is cooled down, guys, it will be a bit hard, so that make sure it is a medium kind of thickness. And the second part, guys, take a tray, apply butter to it. First you will have to apply butter all around, and then immediately change your mixture into the tray. It must not be in the pan too long, guys. As soon as you have switch off, within 20 minutes time, you will have to shift it into the trays, guys. Now my entire mixture I am shifting into my tray which I have applied butter. You can see, guys, my thickness is well done over here. This is the thickness that you need, guys. It must not be too thick or too liquidy. This is the thickness that is the right thickness that we need. Now when we have shifted into a tray, guys, let it cool down for about half an hour time. That is more than enough. And that is it, guys. My milk toffee is set. Now all I have to do is cut it and serve it. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in another video.